How to clean an engine bay like a pro, quick and easy, okay? Here's what mine looks like. Lots of dust and dirt. Okay. So, what you want to do, just to be safe, okay? Always disconnect one terminal from the battery. So I disconnect the positive terminal. All right. And then alternator, find your alternator. Where's your alternator at? Cover it. You don't want no water to get into the motor itself. It won't be good. Okay? So, it's no sponsor on this video, so I just like to use it because it worked. Alright. It's pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple. Spray on it. Spray on it. Give it a little shake. So 1 can should be enough for each wash. Can't get to everything, but after all said and done, it's gonna be much cleaner. You go 1 can. All right. We'll rinse it with the water. All right. After a quick rinse, look much cleaner. So just gonna let it dry. Yeah, just to be safe. There's a lot of water in it. We'll let it dry before start the engine. So it just be caution. You don't want to short nothing out. So we'll let it dry for a little bit. Then it should be good to go. That's how you do a quick wash inside the engine bay. Okay.